Hello, today we are looking at one of the most iconic vehicles in all of film history, the DeLorean time machine from Back to the Future. As you can see here, it's packaged in a nice presentation box. You can see the DeLorean inside, and this is the version from Back to the Future 1. And this model is a 1/24 scale die-cast metal model from Welly. As you see, it says Collect All 3, as there are one DeLorean model for each of the 3 films. As you can see, it's a very nice purple display box, big DeLorean time machine, Back to the Future stamp. And then on the back, we have a little bit of the story of Back to the Future with some nice shots from the film itself. See, it says, he was never in time for his classes, he wasn't in time for his dinner, then one day, he wasn't in time at all. Now let's open this box and have a look at the model itself. Here is the model once it's out of its box. As you can see, it's this little display, cardboard display stand, which it is normally held together with 2 screws, but as you can see, I have already unscrewed it so we can have a closer look. And it also has this accessory here from the iconic scene where they use it on the clock tower to return to the future, well, to their present. Let's have a look at this model. You can see the classic DeLorean car body. It's very nice. You can see DMC, ton of nice detail on this. Look at the side. We can look at the nice time machine back, as you see, and the iconic registration plate of OUTATIME. Very, very iconic. Turning around to this side, we can have a very nice look. Before we look at some of the more active features of here, see if we can see inside. Very nice little inside cockpit. I say cockpit, just the inside of a car. And that has, of course, it has some more dynamic features such as movable wheels, so the car can move back and forward. If we look at the doors, raising up like DeLorean's doors do. You can open and close it. This is the same on both sides. Overall, it's just a very nice model of the iconic time machine from the iconic film Back to the Future. See tons of lovely detail. This is a die-cast metal model with plastic parts, so there's a nice body bit. It's very, very sturdy. It's a very, very nice model. You see, it sits very nicely on its it can sit very nicely on its display plinth here. It also comes with an accessory here, which I will now open and we can have a look at. It's the accessory out. It's the big rod they used. So there's a little spot for the rod on the model here. Just place that in, like so. And now you can see from the car from how it was in the iconic scene where they rushed to the clock tower so they can return Marty to 1985. And now you see the car does move, although it probably won't be able to get up to 88 miles an hour, so don't expect it to actually travel in time. Now, this model has a very nice size again. It has a length of about 17.5 centimeters, a width of about 7, and a height of about 6, although with this accessory, it's significantly higher. This is the iconic DeLorean from the first Back to the Future film, and it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.